Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. So today I'm going to show you how you are going to claim a particular game free airdrop, and in September it's going to be listed on PancakeSwap. I don't want you to miss it for any reason because this is a game token, and I always said game token is always on fire. It's always on fire. All right. So don't miss it for any reason. But before then, a lot of questions used to come to me, especially on the comment section, that how can I fund my BNB? Fine, you are getting free airdrop, but you have to pay a little fee to claim to receive this free airdrop to um, Trust Wallet, right? If you don't know what is Trust Wallet or what is free airdrop, all you need to do is just to go to my YouTube channel right here. You need to do is just to go to my YouTube channel right here. So as you can see, so you can or just scroll down. So just watch this video. You see, I talked about how you can, claim, uh, uh, s- install Trust Wallet and what airdrop is all about. Okay, so now let's go back now talking about how to fund. So this is what you're going to do. You just need to go to your Binance account. I know that you may have Binance, and you don't have Binance account. Well, you can just create one by go to the link on my description below. You see a link there. So what you do is just to create an account there. Then next thing you're going to do is just to go to trade right here. When you get to trade, then you are going to see P2P. Okay, so you can just quickly buy a small amount of BNB. Then you see all of them like that. Then you see BNB right here. So what you need to do is just to click on BNB. So then you can just buy little amounts by coming to this place. Just come to this place. Make sure that when you get to P2P, make sure that this place is in Naira. This place this place, make sure that it's, I don't know why it's not, the way you are seeing NGN, all right, make sure that it's in Naira. If it is not in Naira, make sure that you change it to Naira by clicking on it. Then you search for Naira, NGN is Naira. Then amount that you want to buy, I think you should be able to buy. So you just put it on bank transfer. If you click that place, then you click on bank transfer. Then you can just click on 1,000 Naira. You can buy as low as 1,000 Naira. All right, so then you click on this place. So let's look. Can you see that? So you can buy as low as 1,000 Naira. So you click on buy and you tell them that, oh, I want to buy with 1,000 Naira or 2,000 Naira or 3,000 Naira. So it depends on you. Then if you have your coin, they will deliver immediately to this place. So when you deliver to you, then you need to transfer it to your spot wallet for you to be transfer that coin to uh trust you just you will come to sports and wallet. So you will see what you buy. Actually, you are not going to see it on your Binance like this. So what you need to do is just to, when you come to wallet, then you need to come to transfer. When you get to transfer, then you can see we have transfer wallet, we have funding. Your own might be showing to P2P, is still the same thing. Then this icon, you just need to, excuse me, this icon, you just need to, click on it so that can you see now, then you come to this place and type BNB, BNB. All right, so you see all the BNB that you have here, then you now click on max, then you click on confirm transfer right here. Then you click on confirm transfer right here. So once you do that, so yeah, when you come to, so you're able to see that uh, BNB right here. So thereafter, you need to send it to P2P, I mean to Trust Wallet. So what you do is just to go to your Trust Wallet right here. Then you scroll, you look for Smart Wallet and Smart Chain. You're going to look for the Smart Chain like this one. All right, so then what you do is just to click on it, Smart Chain. So you see receive, okay? you just click on receive. So you're gonna see this thing, then you copy that wallet right here, then you come back. Then in this place, you have to click this one and click on withdraw, right? You click on withdraw. Then once you click on withdraw, then you have to paste your own this thing. So me, I cannot paste this thing right here because of the security that I'm using. So all you need to do is just to paste it right here. You paste the link right here. Then the network must be BEP20. BEP20 is what you are going to choose here. Then the amount that you want to send, you put it here. Then you click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, automatically you're going to see it on Trust Wallet right here. So now let's now go and buy what's the coin for today. Go and claim the coin for today on Trust Wallet. So let me look for the link. So once you have the link with you, then the next thing is just to go to DApp, right? You go to DApp, you paste the link there. You paste the link there. So you are going to see this link if you join my Telegram group. The first link, you could join the Telegram group, or you're going to see the link there. So once you enter my Telegram group, you're going to see the link. So as you can see, the next thing is just to connect this. Then this icon, we have to change it to, this icon to be BSC, a smart chain. So it's loading, beautiful. Okay, so then you want to claim the airdrop. As you can see, you have to do fast because this airdrop is going to end in the next 2 days, 48 hours, right? So you have to claim yours as soon as possible. Then what you do right now is just click on claim airdrop. So it's loading. All right, so as you can see, claim airdrop. So all you need to do, you are going to see approve here. So what you need to do is just to click on approve. So we just claim, you are going to receive the notification. Once you receive the notification, then we go and check our all right, so we just received the notification. Then the next thing you're going to do is just to copy the contract address. You're going to see all these things in our Telegram group. So all you need to do is just to join. Then you are there before. There's no problem. You are going to see it because we are going to post it, everything that you need to claim your free airdrop. So then we're going to come to this two line right here. You see it, these two line, you're going to click on it after you have copied that one. Then you paste it right here. If it does not come up, then you will see add custom token. You see add custom token. Then you need to click on add custom token. Then you change this one to smart chain. Then paste the wallet address. If all this does not come up, can you see if this one came up automatically? All right, so immediately I paste this contract address, everything came up automatically. But if it does not come up, all you need to do is just to, and so all these are the informations there, the name, symbol, decimal. All right, but it has come up automatically. Then all you need to do is just to click on done. So you're going to see that we just claimed 200 million NFT WG free airdrop. All right, guys, so if you come down to this place, so you're going to see it there, right here. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys right today. This is what I have for you. So we give you, we search for a coin, genuine coin. We search for genuine coin, and so you can see on PancakeSwap immediately it will be available on PancakeSwap in the next 48 hours, as you can see right here. Okay, on PancakeSwap it's going to be available soon going to be listed in the next 2 3 days. Let's say in the next 3 days, it's going to be listed on PancakeSwap. So guys, don't miss it for anything, and it's going to be wow coin. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. I did not forget the Fiverr training that I said I'm going to record. By God's grace, I'm working on it, and before Monday, by God's grace, it's going to be on this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your love. I remain loyal, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.